dear children, welcome to grade 3 LS. I hope you all are fine and safe, right children? Okay, so in today's session, we are going to revise our LS chapter. Okay, so we already seen two stories in LS now. So in this today's class, we are going to revise these two stories. Okay, have you all ready? So the first story, caring for nature. Nature is very important to us. It gives us food to eat, clothes to wear, and give a fresh air to breathe. So not only human, animals, birds, and plants form a nature. Okay, so we must take care of nature just like we take care of ourselves. This story is to understand the importance of nature, right? The story is the Black Pond. So one Sunday morning, a little girl Charu was walking through the woods near the house. She was carrying a camera to take a picture of animals for her science project. Right? She suddenly heard someone sobbing far away. She cruisily followed the sound and soon reached a place where she was found a strange big black pond. She peeped into the pond and saw a family of frogs sobbing. So all the frogs were grey. This was an unusual sight. Charu took a picture of this grey frog with her camera and she wanted to comfort the sobbing frogs. So she put her hands in the pond and become very sad because her finger turned grey. So Charu looked around the pond and she spotted a grey bird and also a deer near the pond. So they also look very sick and very weak. Okay, so just then one frog jumped out from the pond and said, so nobody care about nature anymore. Human dump all the dirt in the open, so our home is slowly dying, said the frog. On hearing this, Charu felt ashamed of human activity. So the next day, she showed the picture of the grey frogs to her teacher, friends, and also her parents. Okay, she requested them to help her save the home of the animals in the woods. So what is the home of the animals? Yes, forest is the home of the animals. Okay, so all together, plant many trees in the woods and clean all the dirt in many part of the city and also clean many water bodies. So after a year, the whole city looked greener and cleaner. After a year, she decided to visit the woods again to meet the frogs. She was amazed to see that the water in the pond was very clear and she noticed her finger were no more grey and the frogs, birds and deer in the woods also not grey anymore and they are very healthy and not sick. Okay, so they look also very happy. They thanked Charu and sing a song very happily. Charu took a picture of this happy sight. She could not wait to show it to her teacher and friend. So, what is the moral of the story? Nature is our home. We must care for it. Okay. So, the next story. Never give up. So, if we fail while working towards our goal or our dream, we should not stop. We should try again and again to get succeed. Okay, so success makes us happy while failure can upset and discourage us. We should try to succeed. So this story is to understand the importance of never giving up. Okay, so the story is the king and the spider. A long time ago, there was a king named Pilis. He was very kind and brave. So the people of the kingdom loved him very much. The king of the neighboring kingdoms wants to conquer his kingdom. King Philip fought several battles with the kings and won them. Okay, so once a neighboring king attacked the King Philip and his army. The neighboring king was more powerful than King Philip. He killed many of the King Philip soldiers. So the King Philip and some of the soldiers ran away to save their life and hide in a cave in the mountain. Okay, so King Philips was very upset. He did not know what to do. He looked around and in the cave he saw a spider climbing up the wall. He was trying to reach its scope. Each time the spider climbed a little, it slipped and fell, but it did not give up and kept on trying. So after many attempts, the spider finally succeeded and reached its cobweb. So, on seeing this, the King Philips was amazed at the spider's determination. He said himself, if the spider never gave up and succeeded after trying over and over again, why can't I try again to win the battle? King Philips drew inspiration from the spider's determination, and now he built his confidence enough to win the battle. He gathered his soldiers and attacked his enemy again, and finally he defeated his enemies. So, what is the moral of the story? Keep trying till you get succeed. Okay, so what you learn from the story means, if you fail anything in the first time, we should not drop out and we should try again and again till you get succeed. So it take a lot of time to determination and to fulfill our goals and dreams, but we never lose our hope and never give up. Okay, so these are all learned from this story. So children, these for your this revision for your cycle test 2. So you also read the book back question in the stories in LS book. All of you stay at home, stay safe. We will meet in the session. Bye. Thank you. Okay children, bye.